In Industry 4.0, data is everywhere, but data alone has no value until you can visualize it. Welcome to this complete Grafana series where we will transform industrial data into powerful dashboards. So I am here with this video. In this video, we'll learn how to create database in InfluxDB and create a connection of it in Grafana. So we'll start with opening the Rancher desktop. Go to containers and see all three are running. First, we'll go to the InfluxDB. Here, by going to manage database, you can create the new database. Let's create it. So your database is connected, but for putting data in it, you have to write through the API token HTTP request. So we have another option to write sample data. So when you go to write data, you can see this option sample and it creates a database by itself. So I'm selecting bird migration and write data. Now if you go to manage database, you can see a new database which is created by the same InfluxDB. And if you want to see the data, go to query data, data explorer, and select your database. So there is a bird table inside it. And if you want to see the data, click run. So you can see the data present in this. Now we'll open Grafana to see how to create a connection of this database in Grafana. So this is Grafana. Here we have to go to connections and data sources. If you go to add new connection, you can see these type of data sources you can connect. There are multiple. You can explore it by yourself. And we will go to data source, add data source, and we'll select InfluxDB. Here you have to paste a connection link which you will found in the README file which I have given in the zip file link. So this is the link you have to copy. Here it is also mentioned that it is for connection. So paste it here and you can name your database from here. So let's say for identification and then click an HTTP header, write here authorization and here you have to write bearer in capital, starts with capital B like this. You have to write this, otherwise this test will not be successful. And you have to paste the API token from this README file. Space and then paste. Now you have to write the database name. So this is the database name. This is the database name which I have written and then save and test. There is some error. Let's copy the name again. So data source is working and one measurements found. So it contains one table. So this is for this video, and in the next video we'll see how to create visualization with the same data source connection we have just now created. So thanks for watching.